wanted to put my people, our people, in a position to where we can get financial freedom. And I'm trying to prove to people that it don't take a lot of money. I always got a couple rules. One, do your research into the company. Two, buy low. Three, sell high. I got the kid in investing. I had my first kid at 18. Started a mutual fund from him. And then once I did that, I always had that in the back of my head of something I wanted to get into. Starbucks, Jumia, Tesla, Disney, Nike, fuel cell, plug power. I just got into it and just wanted to just share my experience with the people. Yo, what's going on? It's your boy, brother DJ the Capo, just one of the many working parts of the Squadcast podcast. Um, just want to say, first and foremost, shout out to every subscriber that we have. Shout out to every subscriber that we have had. Shout out to our future subscribers. All right, we wouldn't do this if it wasn't for y'all. I'm going to definitely keep doing this. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you for everybody that hits the like button. Thank you for everybody that hits the notification so you can be a part of the notification game when we're dropping this content for you guys. You guys are very, very, very truly appreciated. Shout out to everybody that also subscribes to the Junkyard Gang. I commend them brothers over there. They are definitely doing their thing. A lot of great content. If you guys love to laugh, those are the ones you want to go see. So make sure you subscribe to the Junkyard Gang. Hit the notifications, hit the like button, go support them brothers, all right? And speaking of my brothers and sisters, I'm gonna pour out that good alkaline water. Follow the drip, follow the drip, follow the drip, follow the drip, follow the drip. Shout out to all my squad cast members that's not in the building with me. I know it looks a little empty right now. This is Wolf on Wall Street, but with this being Father's Day weekend, there's a lot of festivities going on. I know that once I get done doing this for you guys, I want to go to a Father's Day barbecue myself that we have every year, whether it's on a Saturday or Sunday. We always do a Father's Day weekend to celebrate the fathers and do it big in that type of fashion. So my squad cast members have things that they have going on, but I wouldn't be Brother DJ if I didn't always shout them out. Shout out Sheffin, BJ, Powers, Dale, Jesse, Charles, El Presidente, I see you, the Godmother, Brother Black, Terrell Bailey, everybody that is a part of Junkyard Gang and Squadcast. I salute y'all, you know what I'm saying? And we're going to keep doing it, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I want to go ahead and shout out to all the fathers out there. This is Father's Day weekend. Salute to all the fathers who have made an impact in their kids' life, who is actually there for their kids and their family, who was working their ass off to be a role model and example for their family and other young brothers and sisters out here to have something to look up to and aspire to. We all know the statistics where they say there's not enough black men in the home when it comes to single parent households and how it's the mom that's always raising the kids. But sometimes that is not necessarily the case. There is a great percentage of us who actually play a very, very, very important role in our children's lives. So shout out to all the fathers that are doing great things. I hope you continue to do great things, and I wish nothing but the best for you and you guys' family. I salute to you guys. Now, finally, what we're here for. Money, 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 money. Money. I don't own the rights to the song, so don't, you know what I'm saying? But, let's talk about it, and I'm always say I'm not no financial advisor. This is just me sharing my experiences in the stock market world, cryptocurrency world, giving you guys different platforms, different stocks, different cryptocurrencies to look at right now. So I'm just going to share the portfolio that I've been sharing with you guys since I started the beginning of this, all right? We're going to run through the stocks that I have. We're going to run through a couple of new ones that I actually put on my watch list that nobody's really talking about. And we're going to talk cryptocurrency, okay? Right now in my portfolio, I have AT&T, which is actually down right now, Cisco, Starbucks, Apple, Nike, Tesla, Microsoft, Oracle, Disney, CrowdStrike Holdings, Coinbase, Morgan Stanley. If you notice something, AMC is not there anymore. I actually sold out of AMC. I took my profits. I'm done. I'm not going to be riding the up and down wave like GameStop did or whatever. I actually was able to take profits twice in the AMC play. So I'm not going to be greedy and keep trying to milk it for what it's worth or whatever the case may be. I got my position in. I got out. Okay. So definitely done with that. All right. Cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, currently sitting at 29 cents. It's definitely down a lot. Ethereum, currently sitting at 2209.31. Definitely down a lot, but it is going up. Litecoin is currently sitting at 155.47. Definitely down. Ethereum Classic is sitting at 5168. And the granddaddy of them all, Bitcoin, is sitting at 35,590.05 cents. All right. So there's been a lot of things going on. And we all know that the stock market it's really been down. It's been down a lot. We've had more red days than good days, more red days than green days than we would anticipate. Maybe a year ago, we were definitely enjoying the rise of, the fuel cells and the Jumias and the Neos and what's the fuel cells. Those are great stocks to get into if you were able to get in at a low point and ride that wave up. But it seems like ever since the market has gone through these corrections where they're hitting different sectors of the market, it's definitely causing a tremendous impact on stockholders buying, selling stock. It seems like, to me, because of the correction, people are selling out of everything, which is driving the stock prices down. Because if they were buying, then the stock price would be going up. It's not rocket science, so it's not really that hard to see what's going on. This is where I've been a proponent of saying that if you're in certain stocks and if you're confident in your stocks, then these corrections and these down days, you shouldn't have to worry about that. Depending on how many shares of that particular stock that you have. All right. When it comes to the cryptocurrency, that is a little bit more volatile because there's not enough knowledge about it per se to where they can like fully regulate it. So, you could make a lot of money in cryptocurrency. You could lose money in cryptocurrency as well. And with cryptocurrency being down right now, I'm pretty sure many of you, like myself, are losing unless you sold out of your position and try to take whatever profits that you can take. But then at that point, is it really worth taking the profits and then you're going to buy back in as it's shooting back up and you're going to miss out on those gains? So, I mean, you have to be a believer in the stocks and cryptocurrencies that you bought in. I'm a believer in everything that I purchased. If I sold it, it's only because I was trying to take profits and get into other positions in other sectors of the market. I hope you guys are believers too. If not, then you need to go ahead and continue to do your research, continue to research the market as well, and look at how these 10% corrections are affecting each sector and how long they're affecting each sector. And I've always been the one to say, what goes up must come down. What goes down must come up. I mean, we've seen this on before, these trends, and that's exactly what it is, except for, these trends or these corrections have lasted a little bit longer than a lot of us have probably expected. It doesn't help that you have these big hedge funds making under the table deals and plays, trying to cut the average stockholder, stock buyer like myself, out of, trying to enjoy and get some of this wealth that's in the stock market. They want to keep it off of themselves. That's what's been going on as well. So, just have to stay the course. Now I'm staying the course. I hope you guys are staying the course, but that doesn't mean that you can't look into other plays because, like I said, I have a couple new ones that I've added on my watch list that I think you guys should add on your watch list as well. All right. First one up is Ruger Firearms, ticker symbol RGR, currently sitting at $80.63. On June 18th, they were up almost 3% for the day, literally sitting at 2.92%. They opened the day at $78.26, and they currently sitting at 80.63. Currently have a market cap at $1.44 billion, and they had a 52-week high of $90.74. Every quarter from the second, third, fourth, and even the first quarter in 2021, their earnings have gone up. They've never trickled down. All right. They only you can look at the reports, okay? And I know you're probably thinking like, well, oh, DJ, but DJ, they're implementing all these bans and laws on firearms and things of that nature. Okay, that's fine. But that doesn't mean that they're not going to still manufacture and sell them. You're still going to have people buying their firearms. They're actually making it a lot easier to buy and carry firearms, which is maybe a little scary, but that's something that we can get into another time, another day. We're strictly talking money here. So if I were you guys, I would definitely be looking out at Ruger. With $80.63, I would see if it dips down to maybe 78, maybe as low as 75 before you try to get your position in. But if you see that it's going to continue to go up, 80 might not be a bad play. My next one is Smith & Wesson brands, ticker symbol SWBI, currently sitting at $23.21. This particular play on Friday was up over 17%. All right. They opened the day at $20.97, and like I said, they closed at $23.21. They actually had their 52-week high of 23.62 that same day. Okay, and they actually give a dividend. It's not a real high dividend, but you get a dividend almost 1%. They have a market cap of 1.36 billion. Okay, this is very important again because with the states and how they're loosening the restrictions when actually they're supposed to be making it harder, but they're making it easier to assess firearms, carry firearms in different states and all that. I can definitely see why those two have definitely been shooting up. Last but not least is AMD, ticker symbol AMD. They're currently sitting at $84.27. They were up just a little over 1% on Friday. They opened at 84.28 and sitting at 84.27. So actually, that's not even correct. They're actually down just a little bit, and that's only due to after hours trading. But when I said up over percent, that was just during the day. They had a 52-week high of $99.23. Market cap is 102.85 billion. And if you guys don't know AMD, the AMD, they're real big in tech, computer software, everything. The AMD chips, processors in your laptops and computers, games, and all that. Yeah, that's these guys right here, AMD. All right. From the second quarter of 2020, third quarter, fourth quarter, their earnings have gone up. All right. And me being a major in computer science and my background in programming, I don't know why I didn't even think to even look at AMD. So I slept on AMD. Their first quarter in 2021, their earnings are pretty much the same as the fourth quarter in 2020. So they're a little bit even kill. But I definitely see AMD as a stock to look into. Definitely trying to solidify your position. AMD actually just, signed a deal. I'm not going to disclose any of that information. It's right here on my phone. I could tell you, but no, I'm just going to tell you. AMD scored a new customer in Google. AMD and Google is going to be working together. That is very, very big. So with that type of backing, when you have one of the top chips, processors, technology people in the world, and AMD merging with Google, not merging with Google, but teaming with Google, I only can expect to see great things. So that's what I have on my watch list. That's what I probably encourage you guys to have on your watch list. And see if you want to go ahead and establish your position, and see if that's something that you want to go ahead and look into. With that being said, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I want to keep it short and sweet today with it being Father's Day weekend. I got a barbecue I'm going to get ready to go to. So I love you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all your support. Like I said, we wouldn't do this for you guys. We wouldn't do this without the support of you guys, and just the love that you guys have for us. And I forgot one brother, and I'm gonna keep shouting out these brothers. Shout out to Midwest Matthew, because without him, what you see would not be possible. All right, being dead ass serious. I love that man. Not on some no homo shit. Pause. Whatever you homophobic people. I have a genuine love and respect for him for everything that he's done for me and my people and everything that he's got going on. So salute Midwest Matthew. Make sure y'all go follow him. Subscribe to the channels, Squadcast and Junkyard Gang. I hope y'all have a nice, blessed, peaceful day. Take care and peace to the family.